Hello, this is week 3, Intro to Python. I've been going over some string methods in my idle shell. Pretty straightforward. I didn't seem to have too much trouble following along with some of these. Um, I did, however, have some issue with the decimals. So I had to do a little more research on what exactly they were asking for. Um, I didn't understand the codes, but after doing a little bit more research, um, had a pretty good idea of what I was doing. And another thing was using the backslashes for the quotes. I found that I kept having to go back and enter ones that I missed. But again, once I figured out what I was doing, it kind of came naturally, and I started to realize all over that I was using them without even really thinking about it. And I just started having to. A lot of the times I was getting errors back. I was um, missing things or adding things, and I just took a second look at the code to figure out where I went wrong and needed to fix a few things. Um, and I also tried Spider, but this seems to be easier when it comes to doing. See, I did pretty good amount of code all at one time, which is a little more difficult with the Spider. So I tend to like using this more for this purpose.